Okay, today we're going to show you how to take a couple of different styles of rivets out. I'm James, this is Adam, and he will show you how to take, this is what we call a pop rivet. And for this one you need a 1/4 inch bit. Most pop rivets you only need a 3/16 or a number 11 bit. So he's going to show you how to take that out now. Just center the bit up into the rivet and slowly take it out. That's all there is to that one. For this rivet, this is a machine rivet, and this requires a 5/32 bit. So he's going to show you how to do that one. And you want to stay in the middle of the rivet as much as you can. Start very slowly and try to get the head off of the rivet. You'll kind of see how we can do it here. If you go too fast, sometimes it'll burn the bit up, and then you'll have a hard time getting that rivet out. So nice and slow. You'll hear that rivet head pop off, and you just push the bottom of it through the case into the foam, so that's not a big deal. So, and then you'll replace it with a pop rivet, because you won't be able to put a machine rivet back in there after this case is built like this. So that's how you do that. Now he's going to replace that rivet, so he's going to need a 3/16 or a number 11 drill bit, and he's going to drill that hole out and put an Avex rivet, what we call it, back in place of it. And if you don't have your own pop rivet gun or air supply, we have pneumatic, or not pneumatic, but hand rivet guns that you can use, and we could send it to you if you don't have air supply. So now you have successfully replaced that rivet. Okay, now we're going to show you how to use the manual pop rivet gun if you don't have your own air supply, and Adam's going to show you that. You got to pump it a couple, 3 or 4 times. And there you go. That's all there is to it.